Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use Google Chrome Split View. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. One of the joys of remote work is that your office can be anywhere. For me, that's my living room couch next to my cat and within talking distance of the kitchen snacks. There's just one problem. My monitor doesn't fit on my lap, so I have to repeatedly switch between browser tabs. So don't worry, the team at Google must also have a cat and understand my predicament because they finally released a new Google Chrome feature to solve this split view. So in this video, I'll show you how to use the split view on your Google Chrome. It's very simple. First of all, first you have to put our Google Chrome. Now you're on your home Chrome. To split view, you can go hover your cursor to the page at the top of the page tab like this. Now you can just click right and you'll find there is an option add tab to new split view. You can select on that. So now you have split your tab like this. It's very simple, right? So you then have to uh, repeatedly open the tab, the page from here to here. You can just use this feature. It's very simple, right? So that is how to use split view on your Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.